Racing just started. We have Jeguito. Break quickly at the start. Enjoy the magic. Actung. Then next on one is Chanzan Dior Alliance. Nerves of Steel Black Diamond. While is Spanish Charm is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn. We have Jeguito. Chanzan Dior is down on the inside. Nerves of Steel is racing in third. Then followed over by Enjoy the Magic. Actum comes next, Alliance in the middle portion comes Black Diamond, while his Spanish Charm is still racing less. Back to the leader, we have Jeguito by about 3 lengths, and in second comes Chanzam Diora. Next on line of his Nerves of his Steel, then followed over by Enjoy the Magic, moving up for the outside is Spanish Charm. Actung comes next, Black Diamond, while Alliance now racing less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Jeguito by about 4 lengths. John Sam Dior Nerves of Steel moving up now on the outside. Enjoy the Magic. Actung. We have Jeguito by about 4 lengths. John Sam Dior in second. Last 100 meters, we have Jeguito followed by Nerves of Steel, John Sam Dior, and finally it's going to be Jeguito. Second is Nerves of Steel, then comes Chanzam Dior, Actung.